Hello, my name is Amir Ashraf bin Azhar, student ID 2022494842 from the class HM24151. This is video simulation for individual assignment under HTH666 Human Resource Management. The topic that I choose is Environmental Sustainability Training Plan. This program will be held at Impiana Hall 1 in Impiana KLCC Hotel. It will be consist of 30 participants from all the department of the hotel itself, including human resource, sales, marketing, and mostly from the frontline office. It will start at 9 a.m. where all these 30 participants will be registered first to get their name to be registered. The place will be. In the meantime, they will also answer the question of pre-training assessment, which we want to see if they know about this kind of activity before. At 9:30 a.m., we move into the introduction sections, where we welcome and introducing participants and facilitator Miss Claire Whiteley to the training program and briefing overview of the agenda and objectives for the session. Our first session happened on 10 a.m. with presentation session. The first activity is Introduction to Environmental Sustainability in Hospitality with Miss Claire Whiteley. Miss Claire Whiteley will begin the training with an informative presentation covering the fundamental concepts and principles of environmental sustainability in the hospitality industry. This presentation will include topics such as the importance of sustainability, key environmental challenges facing the industry, and the benefits of adopting sustainable practices. Other activity is case studies, which Ms. Whiteley will present case studies highlighting successful sustainability initiatives implemented by other hotels and resorts. These real-world examples will also showcase best practice and demonstrate the positive impact of sustainability on business operations, guest satisfaction, and the environment. Moving into the 11 a.m., the program will start a new session called Group Discussions, consist with the activity called Interactive Discussion, where participants will engage in a facilitated group discussion led by Ms. Whiteley. They will have the opportunity to share their thoughts, experiences, and ideas related to sustainability in the hospitality industry. Topics for discussion may include challenges and barriers to implementing sustainability initiatives, innovative solutions, and strategies for overcoming resistance to change. It will be followed up by another activity called brainstorming session. During the group discussion, participants will also participate in a brainstorming session to generate ideas for potential sustainability projects or initiatives that can be implemented within Impiana KLCC Hotel. This collaborative exercise will encourage creativity and teamwork among participants. It is 12 p.m., which means the participants and the facilitator, Ms. Whiteley, will stop for a moment from the session to get their lunch break. After done with the lunch break, the program will start at 1 p.m. with a session called Practical Exercises. The first activity that will be conducted is Sustainability Assessment, where participants will work in a small group to conduct a sustainability assessment of various aspects of hotel operations such as energy usage, waste management, water consumption, and procurement practices. They will analyze current practices, identify areas for improvement, and develop action plans to implement sustainable solutions. Another activity will be followed by called role-playing scenarios. To reinforce learning, participants will engage in a role-playing scenarios simulating common sustainability challenges faced in hotel operations. These scenarios may include handling guest inquiries about sustainability initiatives, responding to environmental emergencies, and implementing sustainable practices in daily tasks. The last session, which is Q&A session and wrap up, will be held at 2 p.m. Question and answer session. The training will conclude with a dedicated Q&A session where participants can ask Ms. Whiteley any remaining questions or seek clarification on topics covered during the training. This session will provide an opportunity for further discussion and reflection on key concepts and takeaways from the training. The last activity will be called action planning. Before concluding, participants will be encouraged to develop individual or departmental action plans outlining specific sustainability goals, strategies, and timelines for implementation. These action plans will serve as a roadmap for translating knowledge gained from the training into practical action steps within the hotel. Finally, participants can leave the Impiana Hall 1 while answering the two remaining assessments, which are post-training assessment and participant feedback survey. This feedback and assessment will be valuable for assessing the effectiveness of the training program and identifying areas for improvement in the future sessions. Now I have said all the session and the activity that has been provided in my simulation video. That's all from me. Thank you.